Hello everyone, this is meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your Mr. Quik weather update. Wednesday is going to be a great day. It looks like we're going to see a cold front coming through as we go through tonight, and that cold front is going to bring in that relief, the cooler temperatures and less humidity here. Lots of sunshine on Wednesday, but temperatures staying in the 70s. So tonight, a cold front will come in. It looks like as we get closer to midnight tonight, we'll have at least a broken line of some showers and storms. And the risk is there for some isolated severe storms, maybe some gusty winds. A little bit of hail too. So not a bad idea to make sure you do have a way to receive warnings as these storms do come through. Again, widespread severe weather not expected. The better chance, or the best chance for severe storms will be especially just north of the city here. And then as we go into late tonight, after about 2 a.m., the cold front will start to push south. And then we're going to see the skies gradually clearing going into about daybreak tomorrow. And then tomorrow we'll see plenty of sunshine with a high of 78 degrees, even cooler on Thursday, a low of 54 on Thursday morning. Jackets are needed late this week for the mornings, and then temperatures Thursday afternoon very nice. Friday a little warmer, a very slim chance for a brief sprinkle, but it looks like we'll be dry, partly cloudy skies. Saturday looks great, 78 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds. Sunday's the day when we introduce a chance for a few showers to come in as we go through the afternoon, and we'll keep a chance for a few showers and storms going into Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures will go from below normal to above normal once we get to about Tuesday of next week. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.